Hello, I'm Anton. Today is day 21, exactly 3 weeks of consistently investing in crypto. Today, as usual, I bought Bitcoin 20,000, Ethereum 20,000, XRP 10,000. That's my record of crypto purchases on January 31st, 2025. And today's topic, XRP versus Bitcoin. What's the difference? Bitcoin is like digital gold, stored, not used much for daily transactions. XRP is a money transfer tool used for fast cross-border transfers. Bitcoin takes minutes for a single transaction. XRP takes only seconds, but Bitcoin is more decentralized. XRP is more focused on a system that can be used by financial institutions. So it's not about which is better, but about which is more suitable for its function. I'm paying both installments because each has potential and a role to play in the future. If you understand this explanation, please like this video. If you don't, please ask in the comments. If you want to know how this installment program ends, please subscribe to this channel. See you in week 4.